Hey astrothinkers, welcome to Nemesis Physics channel where I explain some scientific and astronomical facts. If you are a scientific guy, then click the subscribe button below and don't forget to on the bell icon. Okay guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Giants of solar system. I'm talking about the planets. These giant planets are classified into two in our solar system, gas giants and ice giants. First let's talk about the gas giants. Gas giants are the largest planets in our solar system. These planets don't have a rocky surface but are completely made of gas. I mean, if you fall into a gas giant, you will not stop falling until you reach its core. Until now, we have found two gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Let's talk about these planets now. Jupiter. Jupiter has a radius of 69,911 kilometers and is the fifth planet from the Sun with a distance of 778 million kilometers, making Jupiter the closest and the largest gas giant in our solar system to Earth. If you're talking about Jupiter, then we must talk about Jupiter's giant red spot, which is a very vast storm on Jupiter's surface, Jupiter's gaseous surface, that it can swallow 3 Earths at a time. Jupiter has 79 moons, in which 4 moons are important: Ganymede, Europa, Io, and Callisto, which are discovered by Galileo, so we call them the Galilean moons, and these are the largest moons of the Jupiter. Now let's talk about another gas giant, Saturn. Saturn is known for its bright rings and also for its count of moons. Saturn has 81 moons, and largest moon is Titan. The radius of Saturn is 58,232 kilometers, making it the second largest planet in the planetary system. Saturn is sixth planet from the Sun with a distance of 1.5 billion kilometers or 10 astronomical units. 1 astronomical unit equals to the distance between the Sun and Earth, which is very close to 150 million kilometers. Saturn completes one rotation around itself for every 10 hours 42 minutes. Let's continue the video towards the ice giant, which have a temperature very low that almost everything freezes. But interestingly, the ice giants in our solar system doesn't have a freezing surface, but are completely filled with cold gas, like gas giants. If you fall into an ice giant, you will reach its core, as it doesn't have a surface. We have two ice giants in our solar system, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun with a distance of 3 billion kilometers or 20 astronomical units. It has a radius of 25,362 kilometers. The average temperature of Uranus is negative 195 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature recorded is negative 224.2 degrees Celsius. Uranus has 27 moons, and largest of them is Titania. Let's talk about the second ice giant, Neptune. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system with a distance of 4.5 billion kilometers or 30 astronomical units from the Sun. Radius of Neptune is 24,622 kilometers, slightly smaller than that of Uranus. Neptune has an average temperature of negative 201 degrees Celsius, but the lowest temperature recorded on Neptune is negative 215 degrees Celsius, about 9 degrees smaller than that of Uranus, making Uranus the coldest planet. But by taking the average, we can say Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system with 6 degrees less than that of Uranus. Neptune has 14 moons, in which Triton is the largest. Okay guys, let's end this video, and if you got to know something new, then please click the like button below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to meet you guys in my upcoming videos.